I start. We are very pleased to have this event in Aquileia. It's the first time that Maestro Muti will join us, and it's important for us because in our area we have in December last year we had the 25 years of UNESCO site, and the main values of UNESCO is to preserve and valorize the UNESCO items that we get from the past, and we have to give to the young people in correct way. And this means that for us in this moment the peace, speaking of peace, making this kind of project is in this kind of I could say sense where we are working on with all the Aquileia system that is made by the major, by the Basilica, by the foundation, and by the Museo Archeologico, the National Museo Archeologico of Aquileia, where we are working together for these messages that for us is very important.